Hi, my name is Shushankar Dayal and I am giving a tutorial on GParted, how to use it. So this is my only hard disk shown as dev.sda. If you have another, it will be shown as dev.hdb. If you have one more, that is the third hard disk, you will see it as dev.hdc. Now consider this hard disk is a new hard disk. You have just bought your system with no operating systems. So this entire space will be one big block, and what you will see here is dev.sda free space. The entire space will be shown as free space. Right now I have Windows on dev.sda1 installed on dev.sda1, that is C drive. dev.sda2 is my D drive of size 100 GB and 200 GB respectively. dev.sda3 is my extended drive which starts from here to here. It consists of 4 logical partitions, 3 ext4, which have these mount points. Mount points are of consequence for Linux, not for Windows. And I have a 2 gigs Linux swap partition. Swap partitions do not have a mount point. Now you can see their size, you can see how much is used, and you can see the bootable flag here. Bootable flag will mostly be used on the first drive, because the MBR, when you install a bootloader and MBR, this has to be marked as bootable. Now consider for those people who have only Windows installed. Typically when you buy a machine, consider a Dell laptop or a Lenovo laptop, you will have a C drive and nothing else. Entire hard disk is occupied using C drive. So how to install Linux on that? So you fire GParted on Windows. You can get GParted for Windows also. You fire GParted and then say resize, and then you just start decreasing new size. Let's say I want to allocate 10 gigs for Linux. So I say these many MBs, and then I say decrease this. So you see the size is automatically adjusted, right? So you can adjust the size and you can give 1 gigs to Linux, but 1 gigs is too small. Let's say I want to give 10 gigs. So you see this is adjusted, and this block you can see here is now my free space. And when you will get such a free space, you will see a block over here between C drive and D drive. You can clearly see this says free space following. So in between these two you will get a free space thing, and then you can format that. But if you have only C drive, as in the case of a new laptop, you will get a new partition, new free space block, and then in that free space block you can create Linux partitions, and then you can proceed to installation. Thanks for now, see you soon.